Unlike shipping industry where containers and everything is standardized, in India things are not standardized, right? So you are living with this whole set of variables, and trying to make sense of it is easier said than done. So this is where AI and machine learning will really come to play. I am a big proponent of AI and ML. We have been using it and we have been seeing a lot of benefit out of it, specifically around computer vision. So we can look at a truck image and tell you how much is occupied and how much is empty, right? And these are variable size truck containers, so they could have different length. So reading the number plate to then finding the dimensions to then looking at the data and figuring out, or looking at the image and then figuring out how much is relatively empty, is a complex data science problem to solve. Uh, but but these are interesting data science problems to solve, right? So because that gives you the actual, so I can talk about weight and I can talk about dimensions, but it's very difficult to predict how much of the space of a vehicle is occupied, because you could have things like a bumper of a car to a small packet which is very dense, and no matter what tool you use today, you will never get a picture until you load it, right? So unlike shipping industry where containers and everything is standardized, in India things are not standardized, right? So you are living with this whole set of variables, and trying to make sense of it is easier said than done. So this is where AI and machine learning will really come to play, right? And I think that is going to be a very important overall piece in terms of how organizations of tomorrow will be built. And as I said, cognition for us is really the key mandate. How do we make every part of our business cognitive, whether it's scanning a particular piece of paper or an invoice, to complex problems like allocating or trying to figure out what is the best place to open the next hub now, right? So I think those are some of the emerging technologies that would really make a big difference.